Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp without Google Play Store on Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin. So, technically speaking, you could just go to the Play Store and install it from here, but maybe you can do that, and that's completely fine. If that's the case, you want to simply head into your browser. It doesn't really matter which one, but you want to have an internet access. In here you want to simply type in WhatsApp, download, and then you want to head into whatsapp.com. Now, you don't want to click get in on Google Play, instead you want to click download WhatsApp directly through here. We have a nice warning that whatever we're downloading might be harmful, but don't worry, this is a base setting, base notification for every single thing that you're downloading via browsers. You want to go into download anyway? Now we can go with open and simply hit install. And now after the WhatsApp is installed, you can simply hit open, and as you can see, this is a normal WhatsApp, just like the one you could download from the Play Store itself. So anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.